Brad Williams, Excel primed. How about we look at some race times and we find the 3 lowest race times and the racer. How do we do this? Well, let's just stick with time first, and then we'll think about what to do about grabbing the names. So without looking at the anatomy or reading this, how are we going to structure this? Well, we want the 3 lowest race times. We want to rank somehow. We want to put these in order, 1, 2, 3. What are some of the tools? Well, we know we can use the small function, and we have this nth value. All we do is look at this information here. That's what we do. Small, time. Time is a name range, C5 to C15. F5 is our K factor, and that's it. Simple. Now, what about the name? Can we use small? No. Why? Because we're using text, and small won't work. So the next question is, what have we done in the past in order to identify position? Well, we use an assist column. We ranked time. Why don't we rank time? Rank B5, time, B5 to B15, and then 1. Look at rank. We want it in ascending order. We look at this information, rank number, which is B5. The reference, the range that contains numbers to rank against. So it's this right here, or time 245. I didn't name range this. It's data 245. Nope, I didn't name range this information. So we just grab B5 to D11. It's in ascending order. So now we have a rank. If we have a rank and we have a time, okay, time's to the left, rank is to the right. Can we grab the name? Well, here we have VLOOKUP G5, which is what? Is the time, data 245, B5 to C, row 2, column 2, 0. So the question is, Brad, where does rank come into this whole thing? It really doesn't. If you want to put these in ascending order, you can. I was just playing a little fake on you to see if you were paying attention. Here, because this has no relevance, we could hide this, we could delete it. But in terms of finding Jim, all we need is time and runner. We're just going to put this in exact mode, 0. 0 equals false, which equals exact match. I say it out loud as a reminder because it just doesn't seem right. 0 equals false equals exact match. My thinking is you always want 0 to be true. I don't know, it's just me. And then exact just seems like a positive number to me, but Excel is Excel. So that's it. We use VLOOKUP. You could use XLOOKUP, but that's premature. And then G5, the time. Where are we going? We're just grabbing this information here as we use data 245 and then exact. I know I kind of did a fake out on you. Somebody may pass this off to you and then you're going, well, where's position coming into this? It's sort of like when you take a test and a professor's screwing with you and they add stuff that's not pertinent to fake you out. Well, expect that from time to time. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. Thank you.